I'm not alive, but I can grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air. What am I? What goes up and down but never moves? What has a bark but no bite? What has a back but no body? What goes through cities and fields but never moves? What is always running but never gets tired? What has roots as nobody sees, is taller than trees, up it goes and yet never grows? What has a bank but no money? What is always hungry and must be fed? What is made of wood but cannot be sawed? What has 1,000 wheels but doesn't move? What has no body but can take a bite? What is always moving but never gets anywhere? What has many eyes but cannot see? What goes up when the rain comes down? I can fly without wings. I can cry without eyes. Wherever I go, darkness follows me. What am I? What is always in front of you, but can't be seen? What has hands but can't hold anything?
Hit like and subscribe for more brain teasers. Hit like and subscribe for more brain teasers.